Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Think Investments. Today we will be discussing one of the most successful investors of all time, Warren Buffett, and his secret investment strategy that has helped him achieve tremendous success over the years. Buffett is known for his value investing approach and has earned the nickname Oracle of Omaha. In this video, we will be discussing how Buffett's investment strategy works and how you can apply it to your own investment portfolio. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into Buffett's secret investment strategy. Strategy 1. Value investing approach. Buffett's investment strategy is based on the value investing approach, which involves investing in undervalued companies with strong fundamentals, such as a strong balance sheet, consistent earnings growth, and a competitive advantage in their industry. He also looks for companies with a positive economic outlook and long-term growth potential, including a strong brand, loyal customer base, and stable management team. Buffett believes in investing in companies that he understands and has a long-term outlook, allowing the stock price to eventually catch up to the true value of the company, resulting in a profitable investment. Strategy 2. Margin of safety. Buffett's investment strategy includes the margin of safety principle, which means that every investment should have a price lower than its true value. This minimizes the risk of loss and maximizes the potential for profit. Buffett believes that the market is not always rational and can be influenced by emotions and short-term trends. He looks for undervalued companies with strong fundamentals and a positive long-term outlook, despite negative news or short-term trends. This allows him to benefit from the long-term growth potential of these companies. Strategy 3. Patience is key. Buffett's investment strategy emphasizes the importance of patience and investing for the long term. He believes that short-term market trends and fluctuations should not be a cause for concern. Buffett is known for holding on to investments for decades, allowing him to benefit from the long-term growth potential of these companies. He believes that if you invest in companies with strong fundamentals and a positive long-term outlook, the stock price will eventually catch up to the true value of the company. By focusing on the long term and not getting caught up in short-term fluctuations, investors can benefit from the growth potential of these companies. Strategy 4. Diversification. Buffett believes in diversification, which means investing in a variety of companies in different industries to minimize risk and maximize returns. He also invests in complementary companies that have a relationship with each other or operate in the same industry to benefit from the growth potential of multiple companies. Buffett's diversification principle is based on the idea that investing in a variety of companies in different industries can help minimize risk and maximize returns. Buffett's investment philosophy. Warren Buffett's investment philosophy is based on value investing, margin of safety, patience, and diversification. He invests in companies with strong fundamentals, a positive long-term outlook, and a margin of safety. Buffett holds on to investments for the long term and avoids getting caught up in short-term market trends. His philosophy has been highly successful and has helped him achieve tremendous success in the investment world. By following Buffett's investment philosophy, investors can benefit from the long-term growth potential of companies while minimizing the risk of loss. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about Warren Buffett's secret investment strategy and how you can apply it to your own investment portfolio. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more investment news and tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Remember, if you want to achieve success in the investment world, it's important to follow the principles of value investing, margin of safety, patience, and diversification. By following these principles, you can minimize the risk of loss and maximize the potential for profit. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.